Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So welcome to a new cooking vlog. But before we can start cooking, let's unbox my Belinga house pot. Guys, I bought this 28 centimeter maple coating shadow pot from Take a Lot, a bronze titanium collection from Belinga house. Oh, guys, this pot is to die for. So non-stick wise, perfection. It has 3-layer maple coating. It's a very elegant with the design. So guys, hey, I hear myself being in German. Someone treating me to some German food with this brand. So guys, get yourself a good pot and enjoy the cooking. I am not here to review this.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true no matter where.
So guys, let's prepare our meat. Firstly, we're going to spice our oxtail and then we're gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. If you can do this step overnight, it's a bonus because the flavors that are going to be in that oxtail, perfection. So let's give our guests some flavorful oxtails. So yeah guys, go ahead and marinate. So now let's start browning. So what you're going to do is add cooking oil and let it heat up, and then add your oxtail. Don't add everything because now we are browning. We want to lock the flavors. So as you can see, I am using my pressure cook and it's not that huge, so you need space, especially for this method. So brown all the oxtails, and once your first batch is done, take it out and add another batch of oxtail and make sure it's coated and it's browned all the sides, so before you can take it out. So now that we are done with the browning, in the same pot we are going to add our onions, and we're going to add all our spices, your bay leaves, everything that you're going to be using. Guys, you're gonna add it. So I love myself some coriander seeds. I put coriander seeds no matter what when I make oxtail and when I make some lamb shank. Let me know which spices like it's your go-to spice when you cook. So yeah guys, continue to add spices. In this process we are going to cook the spices so we can release the flavors within the spices. And because I am extra like that, I had gochujang paste which was like almost done, so I had to figure everything and put it together. Hey, the taste, guys, it was unbelievable. So yeah, who said we cannot add some gochujang into our oxtail? After all, this is cooking, and after all, we explore when we cook, right? So let me know what is it that you put that is like so weird. Not everyone would actually be like, let's mix this and this together and cook. So yeah, go ahead and cook your spices, add your garlic, add your knorr cubes, add your knorr pod, and add a little bit of water. Or this is where you can actually be extra and put some wine or beer. So now we can glaze off those the sauce. So the sauce, but who made the sauce? We made the sauce. So everything can now be like loosened, and now we're gonna add our oxtail. We're going to add them back into the pot, and we're gonna close our pressure cook. Guys, Mina, honestly speaking, I don't have 4 hours or 2 hours of cooking oxtail. No, guys, do better. Get yourself some pressure cook and let's cook this for an hour. or maybe 60 minutes until it falls off the bone, guys. Let's make it an hour. Yes, let's cook it for an hour, and for time being, let's do the veggies. So the veggies, I just went the simplest route ever. So we are just going to boil the corn and add some greenies and then let it cook until it's done, and you can season with whatever you want if you want to season. And now let's check our oxtail. So I'm going to discard the oil because the oil is already on the top, right? So you can now remove the oil from the oxtail. Even if you cut the oxtail from the beginning and you be like, let me trim out the fat, it's oxtail, it's meant to have fat. I always say oxtail is not one of my favorite food, but when you are asked to deliver oxtail, whomstemai we deliver, this is how it looks, guys. It was falling off the bones. Mina, I say I don't like oxtail, but give it to me and it needs to be fall off the bone. So that's my mash. I've also used my pressure cook to do my mash. Now let's dish up. Everyone is hungry. The smell is killing the people. So right now, as you can see, it's so tender. It's tender. So yeah, guys, that's my oxtail, and that's our cooking video for today. I hope you enjoy it. Please check if you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please leave that subscription. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Bye.